All right, today we're going to dive into a really powerful blueprint from expert Yasser Salim. We're talking about how you can launch a profitable AI business, like right now, with absolutely no capital, no employees, and zero prior experience.
You know, with all the buzz around AI, you might be wondering if there's any room left for, well, for the little guy. The answer is a huge, resounding yes. And I'm about to show you exactly how it's done. So you ready? So here's what we've got on tap. We'll start with the big opportunity itself. Then we'll break down 3 totally different projects you can start today. After that, I'm going to give you a step-by-step roadmap to land your very first client. And then we'll wrap up by looking at why right now is, seriously, the perfect time to jump in. Okay, so the game has completely changed. Thanks to all these new AI tools, you can now build a real service-based business without a team, without a big budget, and without a super technical background. Let's break down the exact plan to make it happen. Now let's get to the really good stuff. Here are 3 business models you can literally start today, and each one has a clear path to making you money.
First up, AI chatbots. This is honestly one of the most in-demand services out there right now, and for good reason. Businesses, big and small, are all looking for ways to automate their customer service and sales, and these AI chatbots, they're the perfect solution. Think about it like this. You're not just selling some code, you're selling a tireless digital employee. This little bot works 24/7, handling everything from customer questions to booking appointments, so the business owner can actually focus on what they do best. And the market for this is huge. I mean, a dentist can use it to automate appointments. A beauty clinic can have it explain complex procedures. A real estate agent can use it to pre-qualify leads before they even talk to them. These aren't just cool little features. They solve real, expensive business problems.
Let's talk money. The going rate for a service like this is somewhere between $200 to $400 a month per client. That means with just 10 clients, you could be bringing in an extra $2,000 to $4,000 every single month. Not bad, right? Okay, next step. If customer service bots aren't really your thing, maybe creating content is. This is what we call the no-employee digital ad agency, and it's a total game changer because you can create these stunning visuals and videos without having any design or video editing skills whatsoever.
This is where the real magic happens. With tools like Sodi Marketing AI, you just plug in your client's website and maybe a product link, and the AI does the rest. It literally analyzes their branding and then spits out a whole suite of professional-looking photos and video ads in minutes. It's wild. And who needs this? Well, pretty much everyone. Any business that needs a steady stream of social media content is a potential client. We're talking gyms, law firms, e-commerce stores that are running promotions every day, you name it.
All right, so what's the financial picture here? You can easily charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per client for a monthly content package. So with just 10 clients, you could be looking at $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's some serious cash.
Ready to jump into the big leagues? Our third project is the AI automation agency. This is where you're not just providing one little tool. You're actually re-engineering a company's entire workflow to make them way more efficient. So you're basically becoming an efficiency expert. You use these amazing no-code platforms, think of them as digital glue for software, to connect all of a company's separate programs into one seamless system. Imagine linking their chatbot directly to their sales CRM, which then automatically triggers a follow-up email. You're saving them time, money, and a whole lot of headaches.
And the possibilities here they're just endless. For a real estate firm, you could automate everything from the moment a lead comes in to scheduling a showing. For an e-commerce store, you could build a system that recommends products based on a customer's past purchases. This is really high-value stuff. And because the value you're providing is so high, the price is too. Businesses will happily pay up to $3,000 a month for a single well-built automation system that solves a major bottleneck for them. All right, so you've seen the what. Now let's get into the how. The great news is that the strategy for landing your first client is pretty much the same for all 3 of these projects. Here's your 4-step plan. It's simple. First, pick one niche. Don't try to sell to everyone. Become the go-to AI person just for dentists or just for law firms. Second, use a tool like Apollo.io to find their contact info. Third, start reaching out. Be consistent. And finally, number 4, get them on a live demo to show them exactly what you can do for them. You got this. And hey, if you want to supercharge this whole process,
Combine that outreach with some content marketing. Make one short video a day, like 30 to 90 seconds, showing how your service solves a specific problem. Post it on TikTok, Reels, Shorts. After about a month of doing that, you'll have clients coming to you.
So you've got the business models, and you know how to find customers. Now we get to the big question. Which one of these is the right fit for you? Let's compare them side by side.
As you can see, there are definitely some trade-offs here. The AI chatbots, they're the easiest to get started with, and they provide a really decent, steady income. The AI ad agency is a little more involved, but the financial return can be much higher. And then the AI automation agency, well, it's the most complex, but it also has the highest income potential by far. The choice really just depends on your comfort level and your financial goals.
I want to leave you with this one thought. We are in a unique moment in time. The barrier to entry for these kinds of high-value services has never, ever been lower. But that's not going to last forever. So what are you waiting for?
Yasser Salim really said it best. The people who start now will be the pioneers of this field within just 1 year. And I truly believe that. The market is so wide open right now, and businesses are just starting to wake up to what's possible. If you take action today, you could be a leader in this space in just 12 months. You have everything you need to get started. You've got the models, you've got the strategy, and you have the blueprint for finding clients. The only question left is, which market are you going to be the first to dominate? I can't wait to see what you build.